Welcome to our review of the HOGARLABS 30 Pint Dehumidifier, perfect for basements and medium rooms. This powerful unit removes up to 30 pints of moisture daily, helping protect your furniture and appliances while improving air quality. It features 3 working modes, including smart dehumidification, drying mode for clothes, and continuous operation for rapid moisture removal. The dehumidifier is ultra-quiet at just 40 decibels and includes a digital control panel with a timer and intelligent lock. With a 0.6-gallon water tank, it shuts off automatically when full and supports continuous drainage via the included hose. Its portable design with wheels and handles makes moving it around simple and convenient. Plus, a washable filter ensures easy maintenance for long-lasting performance. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.